Have you ever wondered if the woman you're interested in feels the same way about you? Maybe you've been picking up on small, subtle hints, glances that linger a little too long, the way she smiles when you talk. But how do you really know if she's genuinely attracted to you? The truth is, women often communicate their attraction not with words, but with their actions. They may not be saying it outright, but their bodies and behaviors can give you the answers you're looking for. If she's truly drawn to you, there are certain signs she'll unconsciously show. So, what are those signs? Let's dive into the fascinating psychology of female attraction and uncover the nonverbal cues that reveal her interest. Stick around till the end, because by the time this video is over, you'll know exactly what to look for to understand how she feels about you, without ever needing to ask. Sign 1. Eye contact. The silent confession. Let's start with the most powerful form of communication, eye contact. Have you ever caught her gazing at you, and when your eyes meet, she quickly looks away? It's not by accident. In fact, research shows that prolonged eye contact can trigger feelings of intimacy and emotional connection. It's a way she unconsciously signals her attraction to you. If you notice her eyes locking with yours more often, or her pupils dilating when you're around, those aren't just coincidences. They're clear indicators that something deeper is at play. And remember, women are naturally more intuitive than they often let on. Her eyes don't lie. But what about when she catches your gaze and then shyly looks away? That's another sign. She's trying to hide the fact that she's drawn to you. It's her way of keeping the connection alive without feeling exposed. Isn't that fascinating? Sign 2. Body language. Actions speak louder than words. Did you know that over 90% of communication is nonverbal? This means her body language is telling you more than her words ever could. If she faces you directly during conversations, with her body relaxed and open, it's a subconscious sign that she's comfortable and interested in you. Watch for these little gestures, playing with her hair, adjusting her clothes, or lightly touching her neck. These might seem like minor actions, but they're actually her way of drawing attention to herself. Women have an instinct to appear more attractive when they're around someone they like. And when she leans in a little closer, it's not just because she wants to hear you better. It's her way of closing the emotional and physical distance. She's making herself more available, opening up space for connection. These cues might be subtle, but they're incredibly powerful. Sign 3. Laughter. The ultimate connection. Laughter is a huge part of attraction. Think about it. How often do you laugh more easily around someone you like? The same goes for her. If she finds your jokes funnier than they probably are, it's a sign that she's emotionally drawn to you. Beyond just laughter, pay attention to playful teasing or lighthearted sarcasm. These moments are her way of establishing rapport with you, of keeping the mood light and fun. It's a sign that she's comfortable enough to let down her guard and show her playful side. But here's the key. Laughter creates a bond. It's not just about the joke, it's about the shared experience. When a woman laughs with you, she's emotionally connecting with you on a deeper level. If she's willing to close that gap between you, whether it's by leaning in when you speak or positioning herself closer to you in a crowded space, it's a clear indication that she's comfortable with you and wants to create a stronger connection. And if she touches you during this proximity, like lightly brushing your arm or tapping your shoulder, these small touches are more than just accidental. They're deliberate and meaningful. When she enters your personal space, it's not just about physical closeness. It's an invitation to connect emotionally. The proximity isn't accidental, it's intentional. And when you recognize these signals, you'll understand that she's looking to get closer, both physically and emotionally. Sign 3. Mirroring your movements. It's fascinating how we tend to unconsciously mirror the movements and gestures of people we feel drawn to. Have you ever noticed a woman leaning in when you do, or raising her hand just as you raise yours? This subtle behavior is part of a phenomenon known as the chameleon effect, where we imitate the actions of those we feel connected to. It's a sign that her body is trying to synchronize with yours, a way of saying, "I resonate with you." Mirroring isn't just a physical reaction, it's a deep psychological connection. Neuroscience shows that when we're attracted to someone, our mirror neurons activate, prompting us to mimic their movements. It's a way for our bodies to communicate harmony and mutual understanding. When a woman mirrors you, whether it's through gestures, posture, or even tone of voice, it's a strong signal that she feels emotionally aligned with you. It's like a silent proclamation of interest, a nonverbal cue that says, "I feel comfortable with you and I want to get closer." This mirroring behavior isn't limited to physical movements. It can also extend to your energy. If you're calm and composed, she might reflect that calmness. If you're upbeat and energetic, she may respond in kind, raising the level of her enthusiasm to match yours. This emotional resonance amplifies the connection, making it more profound and authentic. In short, mirroring is a clear sign that she wants to connect with you. It's not just a coincidence. It's an unconscious invitation to build a deeper relationship. Sign number 4. Sparks of collision. Physical touch. When a woman finds ways to touch you, even in subtle, seemingly accidental ways, it's one of the clearest signs she wants to get closer. A light brush on your arm during a conversation, a gentle tap on your shoulder while laughing, or even a soft touch on your hand while passing something to you. These actions might seem casual, but they're often intentional. Touch is one of the most powerful nonverbal cues for expressing attraction. Research shows that even the slightest touch can have a profound psychological impact. It triggers the release of oxytocin, the so-called love hormone, which promotes bonding, trust, and emotional connection. Think about it. When she leans in closer and lightly touches your arm, does it spark something in you? Does it make you more aware of her presence and feel a deeper connection? If so, you're experiencing the power of touch in action. These brief moments of physical connection can significantly deepen your emotional bond and increase attraction. Even playful gestures like a gentle nudge with her shoulder when laughing at something you said can create a shared moment of joy and intimacy. This kind of touch builds trust and affection, inviting a deeper connection without the need for words. So the next time she touches your arm or shoulders, don't just brush it off. Recognize it as an invitation to explore a deeper emotional connection, one that may lead to something meaningful. Sign number 5. Lingering after the conversation. Have you ever been in a conversation where, after the main topic is finished, she sticks around a little longer than necessary? She doesn't rush off, and instead she continues talking, laughing at your jokes, or even just maintaining close proximity. This lingering is one of the most subtle yet powerful signs of interest. When a woman lingers after a conversation, it's often a deliberate choice. She's signaling that she enjoys your company and wants to stay connected with you. In fact, psychologists argue that when someone feels emotionally attracted to another, the instinct is to extend their time together, to prolong the connection. This behavior isn't random. It's a conscious decision that reflects her emotional state, the desire to be near you and enjoy the bond you're building. She may even lean in closer or maintain eye contact, signaling that she's emotionally engaged and interested in deepening the interaction.